You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. If you want to learn more confusing names from the Philippines and more names of famous boxers and also MMA, UFC, stay tuned. I've got many more confusing videos or confusing names for you. Let's break it down. It's easy. Manny, alright, so it's not Manny or Manny. Manny Pacquiao, alright, so just replace the CQ U with a K. Pacquiao. Pacquiao. It's easy once you know. Manny Pacquiao. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.